There have been so many lessons learned throughout the respective pandemic, but the most important one has been the staff, the patient, and the community's resilience through the pandemic. And so it really kind of highlights the importance of not only us being there as a resource, but truly as a partner of those who we are actually serving. We have found clearly through the pandemic that so much of our community is still under-resourced, and despite the fact that we can be a hub for so much, the reality is that we have come across individuals who are not known to our respective health centers through this pandemic. And through our work vaccinating, starting off with testing and then vaccinating in the communities that we're serving and other communities as well, particularly doing some points of distributions or pop-up testing and vaccinating, we found so many individuals who, quite honestly, aren't in touch with the healthcare system. And it really, what it emphasized for us is something that we've known, but it reminds us that the work that we're doing, while so impactful, we still have so much more to go. We have many more people to reach. And so there's a lot ahead of us. And so when we talk about the level of funding that's needed, when we talk about the level of resource and support we need of one another as larger FQHCs, but quite honestly as FQHCs, community health centers throughout this nation, we got a lot more to do, and I think that this kind of gives us the vigor to do so. And so what we're so happy to see is how resilient our staff has been, as well as the community. But we also know we have to work out some issues as relates to workforce, because we're all suffering. And so we have to really kind of put our brains together and figure out what's the best approach to kind of sustain the workforce and grow it over the course of time. And I think there's some great policy thoughts and proposals that will be coming forward that we're all developing together and pushing forward through ACH that we really look forward to help reinforce some of the needs in workforce for us.